Hi friend, welcome to ABC. Today, Singapore excavator operator vacancy. So many company have. See one by one. Okay. So many people waiting for India, Bangladesh excavator operator vacancy have a Singapore. Checking so many. But I show so many company excavator operator vacancy have. You want coming Singapore, you need excavator operator, you can take, no problem. Okay, see one by one. So many company have. I show one by one. You after page, you see everything detail. Okay. Starland Construction Private Limited. This company salary 2,000 to 3,500. 3,500. These people say must need excavator operator certificate and license. Next one, this company 3,500 to 4,500. This company need REO driving license. The excavator PUP pass. This one TC and E and C Engineering Construction Private Limited. 3,200, 4,200. This one salary month. This company excavator operator and wiper excavator. These people need excavator operator license REO, the PUP pass, PUP certificate, PCA certificate, 3-year experience, operator LT project. This company salary anything no mention. Experienced excavator operator welcome. Okay. This company Singlink Corporation Private Limited. So 1 hour 5550. This one everything detail. You after video page you see. Okay, bro. I think monthly basic 2,000 can take. Minimum 50 hour every month. This company salary 2,500 to 3,800. This company also say see everything experience 5 year. This company need. So NC Contractor Private Limited. These people say 2,600 to 4,000 monthly salary. This one registered excavator operator in Singapore SP Group REO PUP pass hydraulic certificate concession site. Okay, after you pay, you see la. These people need hydraulic operator and lifting machine certificate, 2-year operator experience. Singapore, so many company have no problem, but the operator no have available. So many company have. This company salary 2,500 to 3,000. Excavator operator certificate need 2-year experience. Maximum 2-year experience. 5-year experience also can, no problem. Environment Private Limited. This company salary 2,600 to 4,000 for month. Excavator operator certificate need this one, location Tuas. ESC Jobs Private Limited. This company 3,100 to 4,500 for month. This one are just target only. Okay. So many company have no problem. You get coming. This one detail all UPS Abbasi. So company 28 per hour. This one salary, you know, thinking. This one just target 1 month. This one writing only. Salary must keep your experience. How many years you experience? This one keep this company. Know this company, all company. You experience how many years? After you keep salary. This company. Excavator operator and a forklift lands acknowledge come to lorry driver. This one anybody I think no have. You see anybody have, you mail sent. Okay. This one the detail after page you see. This is one concession supervisor app. This is salary 3,500 to 5,000. Site supervisor. Anybody need mass resume, mass need resume no have, cannot try. Okay, must need receive. Supervisor, safety supervisor, okay, height, lifting supervisor, quartered, excavator operator. Oh, die ready. This one, okay, I also don't know. Anybody have? Send my mail. Site supervisor, come to operator. This one also so many people have, no problem. Anybody need? Send a resume, okay? Access at supervisor, safety supervisor, okay. 2-year experience. REO license need. Power gear certificate, PCI certificate with lifting machine. No have also can apply. Construction general worker. Anybody see your friend also anything said? Share, okay? Your friend also share. Anybody need? Can. General worker. Come to class 3 driver. This company separate. No. This one everything general worker come to driver. This company vacancy have. Are the welder. At the excavator operator driver, workshop electrician. After pace detail all check, okay? Workshop mechanic. Maximum 3 year working experience. Primary, secondary school. India, Bangladesh. Must need welding certificate. Must need valid license driving. This one anybody need? Anybody people you share, okay? Your friend everything. One supervisor. $3,000 to $5,000 assistant engineer follow. Supervisor site worker to minimum IT engineering certificate, safety certificate, 10-year experience. Validity excavator certificate, driving license certificate. I don't know that these people also have or no have. I also don't know. Okay, checking. Anybody have? You mail. Send me. So one mechanical excavator truck. Two-year experience, class 3, class 4, Singapore driving license have, can get. This company also can. Anybody have? Send receipt. Salary also 1,800 to 3,000. This one just target monthly salary. You receive, give this company, you experience how many year checking after these people target salary asking. after you choose can going, cannot going after you choose. Okay. Site coordinator, connection material. Salary 1,326, 1,842. Wheel loader, excavator operator. This one I think all excavator operator. Okay. Singapore has so many jobs have excavator job, general worker job, class 3, class 4 driver job, warehouse assistant, driver, delivery driver, scaffolding operator, lifting supervisor. So many job have, no problem. Anybody need, you send receive my email ID. Okay friends, this one anybody use, okay, can take your our Gmail, you receive everything, send your mobile number also send. This ABC YouTube channel, subscribe, bell, click all. After I new video, new job I send, your mobile notification coming. Subscribe. This one every day new job coming. Okay. Okay bro, anybody job you need, send receive my Gmail ID. Okay, bye bye.